Here comes Karen,
knocking on your door as you're closing up your store.
here comes Karen,
Appearing like a phantom to throw an adult tantrum. I will call the cops when you're walking your dog. I will call the cops if you answer me back.
here comes Karen,
Screaming in your face over a parking space.
here comes Karen,
Claiming she's been lied to at the Macca's drive-thru. No one understands what it's like for me, Karen.
No more Mrs. Nice Karen, the world's seen nothing yet. If you people want a Karen, then a
Karen's what you'll get. I'll show them all. Every manager will pay.